the ducks? There are the ducks.
Duck.
Where's the baby duck?
Where's the baby duck? There is baby duck.
No. Here. Is this open?
Open the gift, please.
Open, Kia. See, this is my game. Wow, the game.
Okay.
The game.
It's a puzzle game.
Oh, there's stuff. Ducks always use the dogs. Wow, I like a cow. Cow. I like the cow. The cow.
What's the sound of the cow?
Oh, the cow is chewing. I like the cow. The baby cow. I like the goat.
Is that the goat?
Yes, I found a big cow. How do you open it? This is... I found a cow. I found a dog. The dog. How do you remove this? The goat. How do you remove the cat? Wow, the cat. It's the cat. Cat is the chicken.
Okay.
So it's the loop. What's that? It's the dog. Dog again. The ducks. The ducks.
Ducks.
Whoops. Very big cow.
Wow, very big. What's that?
Whoopsie.
Oopsie.
What's that?
What's that?
It's the goat.
The goat.
Cross it. Whoops.
What's that?
It's the ducks.
The ducks.
The cat again.
Where's the farmhouse of the duck and the cow?
Right there.
Very good. Okay.
Oopsie. The cat. I got you. Cat. Over here. It's walking. Oops. Wow. The goat.
Good.
Whoops. It's chicken. Chicken. The bird. Don't tweet.
Where's the bird?
There, the bird.
What's the sound of the bird?
Tweet, tweet.
Uh,
Singing in the pond.
singing? Okay. Put back the duck. Here, maybe here. Maybe here. And the duck.
It's a small duck.
Yeah.
It's a baby duck.
Baby duck.
Oh, I found a duck's wang. Ta-da! Yes, the ducks.
That's right. Very good. How about this chicken?
The cat did nothing. Is this over here? No, it's a cat. Oh, there's
The cat sleeping.
the cat. Oh, where's the cow biggest? Oh, my cow is biggest. Hey, I can't move with that. Ta-da! There's the camel. Where's the goat? Where is
What's that?
the goat?
Is it goat?
Yes, there's my goat. Oh, over there's the baby goat. Daddy goat. I found a dog.
Where's the dog?
I speaks. I found the dog. I found a dog.
This one.
I found a goat. I found a cow.
The cow.
Where's the cow? I found the cow. I found a big baby cow. Okay, baby cow, sweet news. I found a stick. I found the cat.
You attended mass?
The playing game.
Playing game. Puzzle game.
Yes, playing pottery game. I found the chicken. The chicken.
Who gave that?
The chicken.
But who gave that?
Chicken.
Who give you gift?
Auntie.
Nina.
I forgot Nina.
Nina and Claire.
Oh,
Give your gift, Rafa?
I have big gifts.
Who give your gift?
Present.
Presents.
From Nina.
Nina Clear. I found a goat. I found a goat over here. I found a chicken.
Where's the chicken? Okay.
Yeah, I found a chicken anymore.
The chicken anymore. Put the chicken here. This one. Chicken.
There is the chicken.
Here.
Here.
Maybe.
Attack.
Like that. Chicken.
Hey, there. Attack. Wow, attack.
Oh, yeah.
Here are the chickens. Ah. Oh. there's pot in the center.
Oh.
And there is another one chicken over there. Pata! Oh, howdy,
You remember the song of Peppa Pig?
wow! It's not the Peppa Pig with the chickens.
With the chickens.
Ah,
Missing chickens.
the chicken in your house.
Don't say hey. Put the chicken on.
I found a crack. No. I found a crown. Nope. I found a clock, Mommy. I found a clock.
Yes, clock.
I found the ducks.
Duck.
Hey, where's the ducks?
Where's the duck? You're sitting on it. Here.
Hey, there's the baby ducks. Wow, look at that. The small, small, small. Orange, pink, green, purple, and blue, and yellow. Orange. Oh, these colors.
In this color. From the clock.
Red clock with the colors. Who's that sound that is push the button? You papa. ABCDEFGHIJKLMNOPQRSTUVXYZ.
You read W. How you read how? Wow. World famous snoozer. You read.
No, not I found. Whoa! I just got the pants.
What color is your
Blue.
blue
That
pants?
is blue.
You like it?
That is
You
that
like?
is blue cow. That is white.
Very nice.
No.
You say thank you, Ninang Claire, for my gift, my present. Say thank you,
Thank you, Mommy.
Ninang Claire.
Nina Claire.
Smile, smile.
Cheese.
Cheese. Smile ba? Look at oh. Smile.
Smile. Cheese.